Vanakkam everyone. In Tamil language, Vanakkam is a respectful way of greeting someone. Okay, it's also called hello. And yes, what you saw in the thumbnail is absolutely correct. This is a unique way of teaching Tamil language. Tamil has 247 letters, and in this video I'm going to teach only 8 Tamil letters. Only 8. And with these 8 letters, we can form many Tamil words and understand their meanings. So these are the 8 letters you are going to learn today. 2 vowels and 6 consonants. This letter is pronounced as A. This is A, and this is how it is written. A. Okay, it is A. And this one is A. This is A. This is A. So this is a short vowel and this is a long vowel. Okay, so let's move to the consonants. This letter is pronounced as Ka. And this is how they write it. Ka. Ka also pronounced as Ga sometimes. Okay. In any other Indian languages, you can see Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha. 4 letters for this alone. But in Tamil, they don't have so many letters. So it is much simpler than any other language if you ask me. So this is Ka and Ga. This letter is pronounced Ma. This is Ma. Okay. So Ma. This letter Sa or Cha. This letter is pronounced either Sa, S-A, Sa, or C-H-A, Cha. Sa or Cha. Okay. This letter is pronounced as Pa. This is Pa. P-A, Pa, or sometimes Ba also. So Pa and Ba, it is one single letter only. And here, this letter is pronounced as Va. V-A, Va. Okay. This is Ta. This is how you write it. Same like Ka, but you extend this line this way and this becomes Ta. It's almost similar to this, right? But instead of completing it, you leave it like this. So this is Ta. Ka, Ma, Sa, Pa, Va, Ta. Okay, these are the 6 consonants. So 2 vowels A, 6 consonants Ka, Ma, Sa, Pa, Va, Ta. Okay, easy, right? Let's move to the modifiers now. I'm going to only teach 2 modifiers. There are other modifiers, but let's stick with these 2 modifiers today. Okay, so this is called Pulli, a dot. A dot is called Pulli in Tamil. And this letter is called Kaal. Kaal is literally supporting leg. So it's a supporting letter. First we'll see the Pulli, which is the dot, and then we'll move to the Kaal. Okay. So here, when I add this modifier to one of these consonants, because you cannot add these modifiers to the vowels, you can only add these to the consonants. So when I add this dot to this Ka, it becomes Ik. Simply same Ka, and if you put a dot on top of it, it becomes Ik. Actually speaking, these are the pure consonants. Why I'm saying like that? These consonants are created by combining these 2. Actually, Ik plus A. Ik plus A equal to Ka. This is how these letters are formed. But I am teaching a little bit different here, because if I teach this one first and then come to this, it confuses a lot to you. So we will stick this way only, so it will be easy for you. So like I said, Ka, if you put a dot on top of it, it becomes Ik. Same like Ma, if you put a dot on top of it, it becomes Im. Sa becomes Ich, and then Pa becomes Ip. Ip. Then va. This va becomes you. You. This ta. Ta becomes it. So watch closely for the pronunciation. Ka becomes ik. Ik. Ma becomes im. Im. Cha becomes ich. Ich. Pa becomes ip. Ip. Va becomes yiv. Yiv. Ta becomes it. It. So I hope you learned this pronunciation. Now I'll go to the Tunai Kaal. So let's write these consonants again. Ka, ma, sa, pa, va, and ta. Now if we add that Tunai Kaal, which is that supporting letter, what happens? See, when I add this ka becomes ka. Also you can see this letter looks like a pi, right? Pi symbol in mathematics, but you should not write like this. It should be like this. So it should be always like this. So when I add this modifier to any of these letters, a long sound forms here. So if I add this letter to any of these consonants, a long sound creates. So ma, when I add this one, ma becomes ma. Sa becomes sa. Pa becomes pa or ba. Va becomes va. Ta becomes ta. Easy, right? So with these just 6 consonants, we'll learn 12 more letters just by adding modifiers. One is the dot, another one is Tunai Kaal, supporting letter. Now we are ready to learn some Tamil words. Actually, we can form Tamil words using the letters we learned so far. Okay, let's go. Okay, the first word is a. Im, ma, amma, amma. The meaning of amma is our beloved mother, mother or mom. Okay, mother. So amma is mother. So the next word is, I think you would have already guessed, I believe, a. Ip, pa, appa. Can anybody comment the meaning of this word? Yes, appa is father or dad. Appa is father or dad. Okay, then akka, ik, ka, akka, which is akka is elder sister. So easy, right? We just learned only 2 vowels and 6 consonants. Then with the help of the modifiers, we learned 12 more letters. Now we are able to form words out of them, right? This is really surprising and good, right? We can even form many more words. Let me show you. Appa, akka. Now, ma and ma. Mama is uncle. Ma is uncle. Let's move to the next set of words. Now I'm going to teach this single letter word. Yes, you already know this. What do you call this? Ta. This is a word also. Ta means give. Ta is give. So the ta, meaning of ta is give. Okay. Then one more letter. Va. We learned this one. Va. Right? Va means come. Va means come. There are other letters as well, like ma also has a meaning and a has a separate meaning, but these two are literally spoken in everyday life. Va and ta in everyday Tamil conversation, but ma and a also has some meaning, but it's not spoken in daily life. Ma means mango. Okay. A means cow. A means cow. If you visit Tamil Nadu, you can see Avin milk. So Avin, the literal meaning of Avin is cows. Avin milk is cow's milk. Okay, but this is not spoken in daily life. But these two words are spoken in our everyday conversation. Ta is give, va is come. Okay, let's see another word. Pa, ip, pa, papa, pa, pa. The meaning of papa is baby or a child. So papa means a baby. Okay. Then another word. Ka, ik, ka, ka, ik, ka, ka, ik, ka. Kaka means crow. Okay. Another word is also there for crow, but it is pure Tamil, which is ka, gum, kagam. Like I said, ka, ga. It becomes here ga. Okay. Kagam, ka, gum means the same. Crow. Let's move to the next word. A, ka, sa, im. A, ka, sa, im. Agasam. Agasam. Meaning of agasam is sky. Okay. Let's move to the next word, which is pa, ik, ka, im. Pa, ik, ka, im. Pakkam. This word has several meanings. For example, pakkam is side or page. A book page. Okay, page, side, page or near. For example, come to this pakkam. If you say come to this pakkam, which is literally mean come to this side. Okay, come to this side. And then if you say this is very pakkam, means this is very near. This is very pakkam, means this is very near. Then in a book, if you want to ask which pakkam are you on, means literally which page are you on, you can say. So pakkam is a page of a book. Okay. Next, ma, ga, maga, maga. Okay, ma, ga is literally mega in English. So maga is mega. Mega is, you know, right? Huge or great. So the meaning of maga and mega is similar. So that's all, guys. For today, I think I have covered a lot, and I believe this lesson was useful for everyone. If you also think so, please hit the like button. If you are not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and share this video to your friends and families. So before closing this video, I'd like to also tell about our apps which are already there on Play Store and App Store. So for Android and Apple, we have created Learn Tamil through English apps, and they are absolutely free. You can download them and learn more Tamil words and sentences. I will provide those links in the description box, also in the first comment. Please check them. Thanks for watching.